there's like parents seeing you and some kids. And you want to see the beautiful creation that God gave you, like behind you. But you don't want to make the person that you're talking to sad. But that's okay. So if you want to do that, that's okay, because they know you. I have to tell you that God is gonna do a beautiful creation for you. Like, say your flowers are dead. God is gonna make some rain come and some sunlight come back and grow your plants again. And so, like, say if you're homeless. So, like, say if someone in your family is homeless. Say that. And God is gonna give them a new house. So that's gonna be the creation for them. So I wanted to tell you that. Kids word of the day: Holy Ghost, no pain.